This video is to get you started in terms of your Windows Server self-study module worksheet on understanding what's going on in the Microsoft Windows community. So here we tell you that you're going to answer these 11 questions. You're going to use research of various kinds, and you're going to present by making an overleaf.com project, a LaTeX document, and yeah, all of that. I will just in a couple of minutes here in the video, I will refresh your memory on how to do that. So, and I think in one of the early weeks of the course, we made an account on overleaf.com. If you were away or you didn't do that, well, just go and do it now. It just takes like 1 minute. So get yourself signed in. And then go and make new project. So now new project, create. And now you have your LaTeX document right there. So let's say the first thing, remember what we said is we want to make different files, different chapters of our book. So the first chapter I'm going to make, because it's the one I'm personally the most interested in, is Windows Servers Communities. And then you can take your worksheet, right? Your ChatGPT loves context. The more context you can give to your the more context you can give to your ChatGPT agent, the better job it's going to do for you. And one of the big tricks, if you want to be successful using AI, and it's going to be a part of your future, you're going to be competing at work, and the winner is going to be whoever can use AI agents the best. Now, the thing with that is, you have to be good at prompt engineering. You have to be very skillful at writing meaningful prompts. And if you can do that, you'll be a winner. And if you can't do that, then you will be unemployed. I can't really tell you how to be good at writing prompts, but I can sort of give you some little hints and pointers. Number one is you have to be very careful and precise in your use of language. So here I'm going to go to my ChatGPT. And I'll posit a new prompt here. I'll use one of my customized agents. Maybe Harry Lime, he's a good guy for things like this. So I could say something like, please present a report outlining what's going on. Whoops. I hit the Oh yeah, even though I hit the enter key too early, it still got most of what I wanted. But anyway, what I wanted here was I wanted to tell it to output. I'll say good, but please output into LaTeX format, focusing on Toronto area Microsoft community events, which have a strong impact or which will help a new graduate to get connected into a job. So we said before that only your main document should have your preamble stuff. So you're going to start here from section, right? Don't get anything above begin document. That is preamble. That just belongs in your main document. So you're going to do that for all of those other questions. That should take about a couple hours, I think. throw in a couple of breaks here and there, and that should get us through till 4 o'clock, which I think is the end of our class time today. All right. So when you got that, you can copy. You can drop that into your LaTeX. So here I'm going to paste it into this chapter. I'm going to get rid of the preamble stuff. And now how do I get this? Oh, also get rid of the stuff at the end, like end document. And then in main, you can go here in your body, leave your preamble there, don't touch it. So we'll say input, Windows Server Communities, whatever you called your chapter. You just repeat this for the other 10 questions or whatever it is I gave you. And then that is your PDF. You can just download it here. I'm going to ask one more question here, and this is all in the theme of your career searching stuff they have going on now. Please present a step-by-step checklist of what I need to do to get a job as a entry-level Windows Server administrator. So then you can go and make another chapter here. All right, so once you've got all of that, once again, you can copy your LaTeX coding, drop it into your chapter over here. So once again, I'm getting rid of my preamble stuff. That's going to mess me up. I got rid of everything above section, and I got rid of the close the end document at the end. Now, what's the next thing I need to do? Go back to main and make sure you include, you input, or you could also use include. You could use either one. Input your new document, recompile. Where's my compile thing? I lost it. Somebody took my compile button. Guys, come on, don't mess around here. Give me back my compile button. Where did you put it? Compile. Jesus. Download. Oh, recompile right there. All right, now I'm going to download. So this is what you're going to hand in. And also, please put your name and student ID there. In fact, make a title page so I know who's what, who's from who, and what's from what. So make a title page. All right, that's all right, I guess. That's most of my stuff that I need here. And if you happen to want to include images, that's okay. You can just upload the images. So you see there now my image is uploaded into my project, and wherever I want that image to go, maybe in my title page, for example, I could say slash include graphics, and any images that are there will be available. I should actually put that under make title. All right, so I made a couple of changes. Now, once again, I'm going to compile. So I say switch to editor, recompile, and I will download again. Every time I make a change, right? Obviously, I need to download and catch the new update. And that is going to be something approximately more or less. Now, in this case, my image was much too big to fit in there, so I could scale my image down. If you want to put images, you don't have to. But here I could go back to my editor. And for graphics here in the little square brackets, I could say scale equals maybe like 0.3 or something. Recompile. And now my picture is kind of more lined up with the size of the page. And if I don't want numbers in front of my sections, I could put star section. Once again, switch to PDF, recompile. And that looks pretty good. So actually, there's my name, although it's kind of messed up. It doesn't look good. Now, an easy way you can make a line break in LaTeX is just the double slash. So double slash, that'll just put it on a new line. Yeah, so that's me and just my. You're probably going to make a better title page than me, but at least one way or another, make sure your name is in there. All right, so that's what you're going to do. Go and do it.
Yo, anything.